What is up, Travio TV? I'm back again, and as you guys can probably tell by the title of the video, we're doing an air horn prank part 2. I did an air horn prank part 1 on my YouTube channel, but we didn't really get good reactions, so we didn't really get any good reactions. But we're at school right now, and we're gonna do some air horn pranks at school. I'm with Mr. PlayStation right there. His channel will be in the link in the description below.
Your ass.
And Cameron is active.
And Chase.
Alright, so let's get this started. And if you guys enjoy and like and comment and subscribe. Alright, we found a way in the school. It's funny because the door was locked and we had to tell someone to open it. So that person saw us, so we're walking. We're in the hallway right now. And,
Alright, so I'm here with Travio TV, and Devin's back there. I'm here with Devin.
Mr. PlayStation, subscribe.
Mr. PlayStation. Huh?
Yo.
Dude.
No.
Go. What? Dude, that was crazy, guys. Dude. Alright, so Chase.
Yo, wait.
Chase is gonna... Oh my god. Oh god, guys. Guys, we're fucked.
Really appreciate it. Let's go. Come on. You guys are hauling.
Huh? Yeah.
You saw that, right? Yeah. Thanks for upping my lunch. Really appreciate it. Let's go. Come on. You guys were hauling butt. I saw y'all running. You're not slick. Dumbest thing ever.
You guys have your IDs? Can I have your IDs, please? Let's see right there. And who's got the air horn? Give it up now.
Should I go back and check the bathroom and find it?
Who's got the air
What
horn?
do you guys do?